Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to discuss problem B from today's LeetCode weekly contest, and the problem name is even or tree. We are given a binary tree and we need to determine whether the given binary tree is even or tree or not. The definition of even or tree is as follows. For an even index level, all the elements present at that level should be odd and it should be in strictly increasing manner, and for every odd index level all the elements present at that level should be even, and that too should be in strictly decreasing order. So if we take the example of simple test case 1, here this root of the tree is at level 0, which is even, and it is in strictly increasing manner. If we take the level 2, which is even level, here all the elements are odd. Here all the elements are odd and they are in strictly increasing manner. If we take the example of odd level, here all the elements are even 10 and 4, and that too in strictly decreasing manner. Here all the elements at level 3 are even, and that too in strictly decreasing manner. So we can solve this problem by using simple making a BFS call, in which we check all the element in the ith level are even and odd by looking what level we are. If we are at even level, then all the elements should be odd, and that too should be in strictly increasing manner. So how we can solve this problem? We can just have to maintain some variables, and we have let's say we come to the new level, right? So we initialize any previous variable as int minimum or int maximum. So let's say we are at odd level, right? So we will mark one variable as int maximum, and we will check that all the that first whatever the first value came should be less than the previous value. So 10 is less than int maximum, that is true. So we will mark at 10 is the now current value, and then when 4 come, so 4 is less than the previous value, which is 10. Yes. So it is in the strictly decreasing manner. Okay, so we will discuss this problem while doing the implementation. So okay, so what we have to do is just take a queue of pair of int. So where here int will denote what current level we are at, and this node will be the node of our tree. So this take a queue. Now push the root of the tree into this node. Okay, and now we have to loop throughout while our queue is not empty. Okay, while our queue is not empty. Now our we pop this new root of our tree from the queue dot front and queue dot pop. Okay, so int int level equals to p dot first. Okay, and int value equals to p dot second well. Okay, now if our level is even then we need to make sure that this value is odd, right? And that too, and this value should be greater than the previous value. So let's say I have taken this a value, which is denoting our previous value. So now this a should be int minimum. Okay, so if it's that the case, then we will mark our this a value to this current value, and if it's not the case, then we just have to return false. Similarly, for odd level, if our value if our value is even and this value should be less than the previous value. So I'm taking this previous value as b. So in this case, let's mark b equals to int maximum. Okay, so if it is the case, then I will mark this value equals to this b equals to this value, and if it's not the case, I'll just return false. Okay, now we'll just have to push into the queue there's the child of that current node. So if p dot second left is not equals to null, I'll just have to push it into the queue. So p dot second left child. Similarly for the right child. Okay, and for whenever we come at any new level, in last level encounter so far, whenever we come at any new level, then we'll have to initialize both these constant again. Okay, so if our current level p dot let's say if level is not equals to our last level, that is we have encountered a new level, so we will initialize both this value again, int max. Okay, last level. All right, and we'll have to level equals to okay, so it will be p dot first plus 1 this, and it will be p dot first plus 1 and this. Okay, and our last level will be p dot first. Okay, and we can return true in the end. So let's compiler q dot push, where push. Okay, so here it will be 0 comma root. Okay, true false false true true, true false false true true. Let's submit it out. Accepted. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.